Okay guys, I'm gonna do a video about the Sega CD. It's not the Sega Genesis, but it's kind of like it, but it's the Sega Genesis, but Sega CD. But I remember when I first got this, at first the sound wouldn't work. But I got Sega CD for the Terminator game. It's a really good game. I'm trying to beat this Terminator game. This game's kind of, I'm almost done with this game, but it's kind of hard, but just the driving part in the game is really annoying. But this game is probably the best game on the Sega CD, and I have other Terminator games. I beat this Terminator game. This one was really good. It had a good soundtrack. I could play as Kyle Reese in that one. I had the Terminator Resistance game, but I kind of want to beat the other Terminator games in order. You know, because I kind of want to beat the earlier versions too, before I play the 2019 one. But let's see. Yeah, the sound does work for this. But the sound does work for this. But I remember when I got it, I thought something was wrong with the video. The only problem was that this cord right here. Let's watch if I plug this cord in here or something, and I plug in clearly that's what happened. Stopped working. Alright, it stopped working when I started plugging something. There's one part. Yeah. Hold this up. Okay, the sound's working for that. But I just remember when I plugged these two cords in, the sound stopped working. Oops. Yeah, I think that's what it is. There's these two, the red and white things, I think, right here. I'll plug it in here. See? And the sound doesn't work anymore. That's one of the problems I had. See, the sound doesn't work anymore. But watch. Once I take away these two cords, this was the reason why I thought I was supposed to use these cords, but no. Like, so I'm supposed to remove these. And then, see, the sound should be working now. See, the sound's working. Silence. Yeah, I'm glad I found that out.